Hello everyone, we have yet another video today in the series for the Panasonic LX100 digital camera. Today we will cover focus peaking. Focus peaking is a great tool to use when you are using manual focus for images or videos. Focus peaking, essentially what it does, it highlights on screen where your camera is focusing. This is best demonstrated, so let's go and switch this feature on and demonstrate it working. To begin with, I'm going to set my camera in manual focus mode. In order for me to do that, I'm going to select the switch on the side of the lens here and set that to MF, which stands for manual focus. So now I'll go and switch on my camera. Now the camera is on, we're in manual focus, so if I press down halfway on the shutter, you can see that it doesn't do anything because we're in manual focus mode. And I'm going to turn my control ring here, this one here, to control the focus. And as you can see on the screen there, I can see the image going in and out of focus, but I'm not sure exactly where the focus points are, so I can get peaking to help me. Now in order to switch that on, I'm going to hit the menu button and I'm going to go to my custom menu or custom setting option down here with that's the spanner with the C beside it, and I'm going to go down to peaking. So I'm going to switch that into on mode, and then I'm just going to go back. And now if we get this closer, we should see some dots and lines appear as we're zooming, and yeah, I can see them, and they will change as I change my focus dial. So you can see currently where I have my focus points is set on here, this text here, and if I now change the manual focus, this will switch to other areas of this image. So let's try and get these sticks of RAM into focus, and you can see I now have the focus point set along here. Don't know how well you're able to see that, but I suggest you grab your camera and you try this right now as you're watching the video, and you'll see the difference that it makes on screen. It's a lot easier to see on your own screen than it is through another video. Anyway, I hope this has helped you, and I use this particular feature for when taking videos outside, especially people that move about, and if I want to not use the automatic continuous focus, I prefer to use manual focus and just control it and use the focus peaking to know where I'm actually focusing on. So stay tuned, I shall do more of these videos, and see you soon. Bye.